I think one of the most remarkable aspect of this course is that being applicable to our students' life, both professional life and both social and personal life. I always tell the students, especially when we are working and living here as new immigrants, as international students, we need to communicate effectively with different companies and organizations, including government entities and immigration offices, revenue agencies. We need to communicate with our bank, healthcare provider, insurance, our school, our child's school. And we cannot have that communication effectively. Either we fail or it just happens that we waste a lot of time, energy, and money on it.